a spark in the darkness, the dawn of humanity. This moment marked the beginning of a journey that would span millions of years, leading to the rise of a species capable of changing the world. The universe, vast and ancient, bore witness to a remarkable event. Amidst the countless stars and galaxies, on a tiny speck of dust, life began to stir. On a small blue planet, life emerged. This planet, our Earth, became the cradle of life, nurturing it through countless epochs. From the primordial soup, the first single-celled organisms arose. These tiny beings, invisible to the naked eye, were the pioneers of life. These early life forms, simple yet profound, were the ancestors of every living thing on Earth. They thrived in the oceans, adapting and evolving over billions of years. Over eons, life evolved and diversified. From simple cells to complex organisms, the tree of life branched out, filling every niche on the planet. Then, in the heart of Africa, a new kind of ape stood upright. This was a pivotal moment, as these early hominids began to walk on two legs, freeing their hands for other tasks. These were the early hominids, our distant ancestors. They roamed the savannas, adapting to their environment with remarkable ingenuity. These pioneers were not so different from other primates, yet they possessed unique traits that set them on a different path. They lived in small groups, foraging for food. Their survival depended on their ability to work together and share resources, but something set them apart. They had the capacity for abstract thought, a spark of intelligence that would ignite the flames of innovation. They possessed a spark of intelligence, a curiosity that would change the world. This curiosity led them to discover tools which became extensions of their will. These early humans learned to use tools. Stones and sticks became hammers and spears, enabling them to hunt and build. They discovered fire, a source of warmth and light. Fire transformed their lives, providing protection from predators and a means to cook food. Most importantly, they developed language, a way to share thoughts and ideas. This ability to communicate complex concepts was revolutionary. These early humans were not the strongest or fastest creatures. They faced many challenges and dangers in their environment. However, their intelligence and adaptability gave them a crucial advantage. They could solve problems, create strategies, and adapt to changing conditions. They learned to cooperate, to hunt together, and to pass on knowledge to their young. This cooperation was key to their survival and success. These skills allowed them to survive in a harsh and unforgiving world. They faced predators, harsh climates, and scarce resources, yet they thrived. They were, in a very real sense, the first explorers, venturing out into the unknown, driven by a thirst for discovery. Their journey laid the foundation for the incredible story of humanity. Out of Africa, the first explorers. These early humans embarked on a journey that would shape the course of history. Driven by a need for resources and a restless spirit, early humans began to migrate. They were not just searching for food and water, but also for new opportunities and safer habitats. They left their African cradle and ventured into new lands. This exodus was a monumental step in human evolution, marking the beginning of our species' global journey. This journey, spanning tens of thousands of years, would take them across continents and oceans. They traversed vast landscapes, from dense forests to open plains, and crossed formidable barriers like mountains and rivers. They braved harsh climates, from icy tundras to scorching deserts. The resilience and adaptability of these early explorers were truly remarkable. Along the way, they encountered strange creatures and unfamiliar landscapes. Each new environment presented its own set of challenges and opportunities. Despite the challenges, they adapted and thrived. They learned to make the most of their surroundings, using their ingenuity to overcome obstacles. They learned to build shelters, hunt new prey, and create tools suited for diverse environments. These innovations were crucial for their survival and success. Their ingenuity knew no bounds. They developed new techniques and strategies, constantly pushing the limits of what was possible. Each challenge they overcame pushed the boundaries of their knowledge and abilities. Their collaborative efforts were key to their success. Over generations, they populated the globe, establishing the roots of human civilization on every continent except Antarctica. Their legacy is evident in the diverse cultures and societies that exist today. This great diaspora was not a single event, but a series of migrations, each wave pushing further into the unknown. These movements were driven by a combination of necessity and curiosity. These early explorers left behind a trail of artifacts and fossils, a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. Archaeologists continue to uncover these remnants, providing us with valuable insights into our ancestors' lives. Their journey is a testament to the indomitable spirit of humanity, our innate desire to explore, to discover, and to conquer new frontiers. This spirit continues to drive us today as we reach for the stars and seek to understand the universe. Seeds of change, the agricultural revolution. For millennia, humans lived as hunter-gatherers, their survival dependent on the whims of nature. Then, around 10,000 years ago, a revolution occurred. In the Fertile Crescent, a region stretching from the Nile River to the Persian Gulf, humans began to cultivate crops. This marked the dawn of agriculture, a pivotal turning point in human history. No longer reliant on nomadic hunting and gathering, humans could now settle in one place. They domesticated animals, providing a stable source of food and labor. Agriculture led to food surpluses, allowing for population growth and the emergence of villages and later cities. This new way of life brought about profound social and technological changes. With settled life came the specialization of labor. Some individuals focused on farming, others on crafting tools, and still others on governance and religious practices. This division of labor led to the development of new technologies, from irrigation systems to pottery and weaving. The agricultural revolution was not merely a change in how humans produced food, it was a fundamental shift in the fabric of society. Empires of dust, the rise and fall of civilizations. Throughout history, human societies have risen to great heights, only to crumble into the sands of time. This cycle of growth and decay is a testament to the complex and often fragile nature of human achievement. As agriculture flourished, so too did human civilization. The domestication of plants and animals allowed for stable food supplies, which in turn supported larger populations and the development of complex societies. In the fertile river valleys of Mesopotamia, Egypt, India, and China, the first cities arose. These regions, blessed with abundant water and fertile soil, became the cradles of early civilization, where humans first began to build permanent settlements. These urban centers became hubs of trade, culture, and innovation. Markets bustled with activity, and ideas flowed as freely as goods, leading to advancements in technology, art, and governance. They also became the seats of power for the world's first empires. Rulers built grand palaces and fortresses, symbolizing their control and the might of their armies. From the Akkadian Empire to the Roman Empire, powerful states rose and fell, leaving behind legacies of both greatness and destruction. These empires expanded their territories through conquest, spreading their influence far and wide. Empires expanded through conquest, driven by ambition, resources, and ideology. Their armies marched across continents, bringing new lands under their control and integrating diverse cultures into their domains. They built grand monuments, developed complex legal systems, and fostered intellectual and artistic achievements. These accomplishments not only showcased their power, but also laid the foundations for future generations. Yet empires were not eternal. Despite their grandeur, they were vulnerable to internal strife, economic troubles, and external threats. Over time, these pressures often led to their decline. Internal strife, corruption, and external pressures often led to their decline and eventual collapse. The once mighty walls of their cities crumbled and their people dispersed, leaving behind only ruins. The rise and fall of empires, while often tumultuous, played a crucial role in shaping the course of history. Each empire's story added a new chapter to the human saga, influencing the development of future civilizations. They facilitated the exchange of ideas, technologies, and cultures across vast distances. Trade routes like the Silk Road connected distant lands, allowing for the spread of knowledge and innovation. The remnants of their achievements, from architectural wonders to legal codes, continue to influence the world today. These relics serve as a bridge to the past, offering insights into the lives and minds of our ancestors. They serve as a reminder of the cyclical nature of power, the ephemeral nature of empires, and the enduring legacy of human ambition and achievement. As we look upon these ancient ruins, we are reminded of the impermanence of power and the lasting impact of human creativity and resilience.